I'm Andrew Goddard, and this is the weekly Volatility Roundup from CMC Connect. Siemens Energy has seen a significant uptick in price action over the last few days, news that is reflective of wider woes facing the global wind energy sector. Rising costs and ongoing technical issues have forced the German company to seek state guarantees, news that saw the underlying shares price tumble by almost 40% on Thursday. While some of the losses were clawed back by the weekend break, this is the second big sell-off in just over 4 months for the company. 1 week vol stood at 262.35% against 90.8% for 3 months. Keeping with single stocks, and results from Standard Chartered rocked investor sentiment at the global bank. Exposure to struggling Chinese markets saw some significant impairments, leading the stock as much as 17% lower in early trade on Thursday. The subsequent rally has also proved unsustainable, leaving 1 week vol at 104.46% against 42.36% for 3 months. That news from Standard Chartered, along with other UK banks reporting their Q3 earnings this week, left the wider sector looking turbulent. CMC's proprietary basket of UK banking stocks was driven down to its lowest level in 12 months, sliding by more than 8% over the last week, with vol printing 38.84% for the same period against a 3-month reading of 25.84%. The outlook for oil prices remains uncertain, with the impact of the deteriorating situation in the Middle East being offset by demand concerns from a slowing global economy. West Texas Intermediate traded in a range of around $6, but there's no discernible trend emerging yet. 1 week vol on WTI was 38.9% against 29.22% for 3 months. And whilst fiat currencies may be looking relatively becalmed, price action in cryptos remains upbeat. Bitcoin has been trading in a $2,000 range, but holding above the $33,000 mark for the last few days, with 1 week vol here coming in at 65.86% against 37.51% for 3 months. Price action on altcoin Solana has, however, been even more exaggerated, coming in at 108.56% on the week and 63.72% over 3 months.